Today you are going to discover a breakthrough that could change the way you see the future of science and technology. In this video, you will explore how Japanese scientists solved a decades-old quantum puzzle and why this matters for your life, your future, and the entire digital world. Imagine you hearing about something Albert Einstein himself once called spooky action at a distance. That phrase was his way of describing quantum entanglement, and today you are going to see how that idea is not just theory anymore, it is becoming your reality. Quantum entanglement means that the state of one particle can instantly affect the state of another, even if they are separated by great distances. When you think about it, this challenges everything you believed about classical physics. The recent discovery from Kyoto and Hiroshima universities brings a new level of understanding to what scientists call the W state of quantum entanglement, and you will see why this is such a big deal for your future. For decades, researchers could not properly identify the W state. Now, with new photonic quantum circuits and a quantum Fourier transform, the impossible became possible. And this opens the door to teleportation and advanced computing that will shape your world. Before you start picturing science fiction movies, remember this is not about teleporting people. Quantum teleportation is about transporting information, and that has huge implications for your technology, your security, and your future internet. You can think of it like a delicate dance where energy is shared and balanced, and you are now closer to seeing how that dance can be measured in real life. Traditional experiments were incredibly complex and often failed to identify this state. That is why this Japanese breakthrough is such a turning point. It means you finally have a way to confirm the W state in a single, precise test. In their experiments, the scientists used groups of 3 entangled photons. They achieved consistently accurate and stable results. That consistency is what gives you confidence that this discovery is reliable and ready to drive the next generation of technology. So why should you care about all this complexity? Because this could lead to communication networks that are nearly impossible to hack. Imagine your messages and your data secured by the laws of quantum physics instead of vulnerable digital codes. Think about what this means for medicine, too. Quantum simulators based on these breakthroughs could analyze complex biological systems faster than any supercomputer today. That could give you personalized treatments designed specifically for your body. Climate science also benefits. With quantum-powered simulators, researchers could model the planet with unprecedented precision and give you tools to predict and manage environmental challenges more effectively. And then there is the dream of a global quantum internet. With W states under control, you could connect devices around the world with absolute security and near-instant communication. This would transform your digital life forever. When you hear all this, you realize the gap between theory and practice is shrinking. What once sounded like fantasy is now a step away from your everyday reality. The Japanese methodology solved decades of frustration. By combining photonic circuits with Fourier transformations, they gave you a tool that simplifies experiments and accelerates progress in ways you did not think possible. Now I want to ask you directly, do you believe that mastering the W state will be the turning point that finally unlocks practical quantum teleportation and computing? Share your answer in the comments because your perspective matters in shaping this conversation. If you are enjoying this video and you feel like it is expanding your vision, press the like button right now. That simple action will help YouTube share this content with more people who are passionate about technology just like you. And if you want more insights that bring you to the cutting edge of science and technology, remember to subscribe to the channel. That way, YouTube will help more intelligent people like you find us, and you will always stay updated with valuable knowledge. This discovery does more than expand the boundaries of quantum science. It redefines how you think about information security, medicine, communication, and the internet itself. So as you move forward, remember this moment. The solution of the W state puzzle is not just a scientific curiosity. It is a milestone that brings you closer to living in a world powered by quantum technology.